Got my dog right here. He finna get active. Hey, I should've did a burnout too, goddamn. What? Nah, that was for sure gonna pop. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, that's just bad. Yeah. Nah, I'm glad I didn't. The rotor's moving in this bitch. Oh, it's still moving. What the fuck? I'm trying to stop it. Why the fuck is it still rotating?
One word, commitment.
What the fuck? This one too? I'm gonna turn this shit off, bro. Oh, there it go. It starts. I don't know why the fuck that shit was spinning.
He needs some milk.
3 days later.
Alright, y'all, so apparently I didn't buy enough oil, so Baja let me get the BMW to go get some more oil, and I'm babying it ever so gently. Y'all know I have a special thing for this car, man. I love this car to death. I want one of these shit so bad. This shit is tough as fuck. Alright, let's get out of here and get this oil. The dog shit look crazy, bro. Y'all want me to get a 340? Let me know in the comment section, and I dead ass will get a 340 on God.
Stop it. Get some help.
All right, y'all, so we got the oil and we back in the wheel. I don't want to cut it on just yet. Let's roll the window down. Oh my God. I don't know if y'all see me try to turn that bitch to the left. I'm so used to driving my car. If I'm not mistaken, this is my grandpa right here in this truck.
Huh?
That's definitely not my grandpa. B58. Now, if I get one, bro, I'm upgrading the turbo. Like, I'm really wilding out, bro. I have to, like, but I already have a 4-door BMW, so it's kind of like, what am I getting another one for? Oh, yeah, this bitch is moving.
I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Oh! Appreciate that, fam. Alright, y'all boys, man, as y'all can see, we spawned to another location, but I brought a 340 and a 540. 340 and 540, we got us some B58s out here with us today, man. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, Mr. B. And this shit P as hell, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm rocking with this lineup right here. It's 340 right here. Wait a minute. This 340 right here, beautiful as fuck, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, they really stopped for real. Oh no, they finna hop out and shoot a nigga, I'm sorry. This 340 is different. Y'all, it smells like... Oh! It smells like, ethanol. Ethanol. It smells like ethanol. You're not fooling me. I know there's ethanol in there. Wait a minute. You on E85, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm on E30 right now.
Man, quit playing with me, man.
Yo, Amar, you on ethanol or not? Are you on E? Yeah, E60. Yeah.
What did he say?
What I tell y'all? So we got some B58s on E and downpipes, man. I ain't gonna lie. We might got our hands cut out for it, but I got faith in the 300 black girl. Look like I ain't paid a light bill. But yeah, we finna get in this car, man. Finna see what these B58s talking about, bro. So I'm gonna catch y'all in a little bit, man. Let's go. Alright, y'all, so the 340 back there just challenged me to a dig race, and he's all-wheel drive. I just completely, I completely ignored the X-Drive logo on the back of his car. I just didn't even pay attention to it. He's on E60. I think he's on a JB4 tune. I'm completely stock. I'm on 91.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
That boy sleeping. Yeah, these B58s are no joke, bro. Alright, too, so we got all the BMWs lined up right here, 540, 340, and M5 competition. As y'all can see, man, we done had a great time today. I don't know if they skedaddling or not. I know I'm hot. I'm ready to go. You want to shout something out on the tubes, man?
G30, man. Follow that shit, man.
Follow that shit. Yeah, it's going to be right here on the screen. You got something you want to shout out, man? I'm gonna get you. That shit gonna be right here. As y'all can see, y'all go follow them, man. Check them out, all that good stuff. But yeah, we're not gonna end the video just yet. We're gonna probably ride home and talk about something. I don't know. Why that truck so damn loud? Hey, shut up!
Don't do drugs. If you're doing it, stop it.
Okay, guys. You can see I got my fitty witty. But we got the 340 and the 540 behind us at the moment. And I'm trying to see if they're trying to get over. They over here playing with this damn Jetta. Like, what's going on, man? What is that? Oh, he tripping. He tried to hit that bit. What the fuck? That bit got granddaddy long legs. Oh my God. Oh my God. Alright, y'all, so we about to bully this RT right now. Woo! I'm going to active. We about to bully this RT right now. Oh my God, these niggas getting stupid. That's a plaid. Oh, that's a plaid. Oh my God. Trying to get close to that action. Let me get close to it. Oh, he braking hard as fuck. Hold on. I'm trying to get close to that booty meat. G40 jumped out. The G30 jumped out in front. Ah! They said they gotta run it back. I get that one to 540. 540 for the win.